You're not the pizza guy. So who the fuck are you?
You would not believe how outdated our hospitals are.
You're not thinking about...
You never attack hospitals. Hacker taboo, man.
Well, somebody did. They used ransomware to lock the doctors out of their own systems.
I'm gonna check that out. Ow! Who shoots a guy in the ass? I got zero reason to trust you, man. You crazy as hell. You know what? That's fair. Watch it!
What if I told you there was a bunch of homeless people prowling the streets, their bodies infused with experimental nanotech?
But I'm not crawling in the mud with you.
Oh, you totally are. I mean, an army of robo-hobos? That don't make you wet?
What do you think of a car that knows who you are?
The car's onboard computer has direct access to Bloom's databases.
Maybe, some daring vigilantes should check it out.
Perhaps steal a cool car already?
Man, don't you ever get tired of pointing guns at people? Nah, not really.